Ever pondered how the intricate process of photosynthesis was unraveled? It's a compelling tale of curiosity, observation, and experimentation that spans centuries. The seeds of our understanding of photosynthesis were sown by two pioneering scientists, Joseph Priestley and Jan Ingenhousz. In the year 1770, an English polymath named Joseph Priestley embarked on a series of experiments that would revolutionize our understanding of green plant growth. 4 years later, this very man discovered oxygen, a critical component of the process we now know as photosynthesis. Priestley's experiments began with a simple observation. He noticed that a candle, when placed in a closed space like a bell jar, would quickly extinguish. Similarly, a mouse placed in the same environment would soon suffocate. From these observations, Priestley concluded that both a burning candle and a breathing animal somehow damaged the air around them. But then, Priestley introduced a new element into his experiment, a mint plant. With the plant inside the bell jar, the mouse stayed alive, and the candle continued to burn. This led Priestley to hypothesize that plants restore to the air whatever breathing animals and burning candles remove. Following in Priestley's footsteps, Jan Ingenhousz, a Dutch scientist, took these experiments a step further. Ingenhousz used a similar setup to Priestley's, but added one crucial element: sunlight. By placing the bell jar once in the dark and once in the sunlight, Ingenhousz showed that sunlight is essential to the plant process that purifies the air fouled by burning candles or breathing animals. Ingenhousz conducted an elegant experiment with an aquatic plant. In bright sunlight, he noticed small bubbles forming around the green parts of the plant, but in the dark, these bubbles were absent. Ingenhousz later identified these bubbles as oxygen, demonstrating that only the green parts of plants could release oxygen. To summarize, the early experiments of Priestley and Ingenhousz laid the groundwork for our understanding of photosynthesis. Priestley discovered that plants could restore to the air what burning candles and breathing animals removed. Ingenhousz took this knowledge further, showing that sunlight was crucial to this process and that only the green parts of plants could release oxygen. These simple yet groundbreaking experiments paved the way for our current understanding of the complex and vital process of photosynthesis.